Padlocks, lockout, tagout and security equipment. Country of manufacture: United States. Manufacturer: Master Lock. Cadmium rustproofing. Multi-spring locking mechanism. 2 nickel-plated steel keys. 36 changes. Adjustable and removable 9/32 inch diameter steel shackle. Master Lock 517D Laminated Padlock with Long Shackle. The Master Lock No. 517D Laminated Padlock features a 1 3/4 inch, 44 mm, wide laminated steel body for strength and reliability. The 9/32 inch, 7 mm, diameter shackle can be adjusted from 2 3/4 inch, 7 cm, to 5 3/8 inch, 14 cm, long for application flexibility, and is made of steel, offering strong resistance to cutting. The warded single locking lever mechanism minimizes jamming from dirt and grime. Top reviews from the United States. Great for double doors. My husband is in a hospital facility and worries constantly that someone is going to take his stuff. His closet has 2 doors with a handle on each. I bought this so he could lock the closet and they work great.